potato, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it here.
No.
Cut!
No cutting. Don't know how to switch it off.
Yo guys, what's up? Alvin Mark here. Let me wipe off the... There, much better. And today we are here way up north in Singapore in its area called Sembawang, and here at the natural hot springs. Behind me is a natural hot springs that was discovered all the way back in 1908. And I've scouted around. There's a place, a foot bath place, there's a place to cook your eggs if you brought some eggs here. The smell, if you can smell right now, is sulfur. The Sembawang Hot Spring Park is a natural hot spring and public park in Singapore. Its natural spring water had once been bottled commercially by Fraser and Neave, or FNN. And since its discovery in 1909, the spring has been through a few changes of ownership and potential redevelopment proposals, including being an onsen during the Japanese occupation. The hot spring park has a rural rustic feel for visitors to unwind from the hustle and bustle of the modern city life. National Parks Board took over the ownership of the park for redevelopment, which officially reopened on the 4th of January 2020. A friend sent a photo of this exact same spot, but it looks different at this point in time. If only the banyan tree is nearer to the stream, and if the little stream is filled with water, maybe I might have chosen this angle to make a picture. But seeing that Richard is already well on his way, I should get mine going too. So guys, good for you that you can't smell anything right now. Because of the humidity, it's really bad. I'm drenched in perspiration even before I've started the painting. So guys, let's do this right now. It might rain, very little shelter around. So don't want to get struck by lightning, right? Otherwise, we know what's gonna happen. But there's this beautiful banyan tree. I'm not sure if it's a heritage tree, but I'm gonna work on it right now. Dark clouds fast approaching. I'm gonna pause right here for the moment. I'm gonna share with you a technique that I use with an old brush. A little on the frail side, yes, but it makes for great textures for trees and shrubs. Let's apply this method and see how it'll turn out. According to local geologists, the exact source of the spring remains unknown, but it's believed that its origin may be southwest of its actual location, possibly at Bukit Timah. Hot springs are found when underground water comes into contact with hot rock masses. The resulting high pressure causes the water to seep outwards through cracks, forcing itself out of the ground as a spring. Hey guys, it's starting to drizzle. So I think I'm just gonna call it quits for now. Yeah, look at that, rain clouds. And practically no shelter all around. A series of tests conducted found that this spring water contains 420 milligrams of chloride per liter, an amount which is substantially higher than the 35 to 100 milligrams in the water from Choa Chu Kang and Bedok waterworks. It was also found that the sulfur content is 3 times more than tap water, and the spring water is also slightly alkaline due to the presence of minerals. We're still at the hot springs park, and it's time to cook some eggs. That's right. So I've laid 6 of them and brought a pail with me to fill it up with water. It's gonna be about 70 degrees. So I get cage-free eggs, local eggs from Choose. And of course I've got my pepper, basil, and Himalayan salt ready also. I'm quite excited, so let's do this. So there were so many people assisting me with all my answers. It's my first time here. Just want to make sure that I got all my act together. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you, Daphne. Also, Amanda for the picture. There it is. Let's go. It's okay. I can. Oh, it's hot, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll come over this side. Thank you. Is it very hot? Wow. Oh, put. Can I put that? Oh, okay. So leave it there. How many minutes? 10 minutes? 10分钟?
20分钟。
20?
30分钟哈。
Okay, okay. 20 minutes. 你要吃鸡蛋吗？
不要。
Thanks, Uncle. In Asia, it's very common to call anyone who's your senior or looks older than you uncle or auntie. So he's not really my uncle, like blood related. While it's cooking, I'm going to get a sketch done. Time for the sketcher to sketch something. Oh, there are lots of people here now. It's a weekday, so I'm expecting far less people, but it's a good crowd for me to sketch. Yeah. Natural spring waters may have health benefits similar to hot springs of other countries near tectonic plates with volcanoes. People do come here for cures for some skin conditions as well as ailments like rheumatism and arthritis. Guys, it's time. Let's do this. So there are different tiers. Where I am right now, it says it's about 60 or maybe 50 over there. It's 60 over there. It's 70 degrees Celsius. It's hot, but it would be kind of nice if I was in an onsen in a like minus 10 degree surrounding with some monkeys. Okay, so been there, done that. Check. Ding. I soaked my feet in there for about 1 minute. I am a wimp. But oh, it was good. Yeah, I guess if I did this every day, I would get used to the heat. I'm not sure if my eggs are ready, but I'm going to check on them right now. Okay guys, time to do a test. I forgot to bring a spoon, so let's... soft boil, okay. Needs to cook a little bit more. But in the meantime, gonna add some pepper, basil, Himalayan pink salt. Here we go, mask off. Nadia goes for walks around Singapore. 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers a day. Very fit. I miss those times on the Camino, definitely. I see an uncle in the distance taking a bath. Let's use this opportunity to sketch him.
This is high tech, huh?
I could bring like the little bottles, but it's just gonna weigh me down.
No, this is good.
Mask off first, please.
Bueno. C'est bon, hein? Si tu manges comme ça.
So this is my second one. Let's figure this out. I'm gonna add the spices first.
Okay.
Voila. Yeah. And a little bit of salt. And to top it off, I'm gonna put it in my nasi lemak. That's huge for $2.
Wow, check that
Oh
out.
my goodness. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna put it here. Cut!
No cutting. Don't know how to switch it off.
There's another.
Not so good, Alvin.
Okay, try it one more time.
So let's move it across like that.
There we go. Voila.
Alright, that's better.
Okay, so I created a mess here,
The
but
spices of nasi lemak.
I'm gonna clean it up. Okay. Bon appetito. Ciao guys.
So stop,
Alvin
huh?
Mark channel, yeah.
Okay.
Cut.
Cut.
Yeah.